Around the world, agriculture faces unprecedented challenges. Climate change, environmental degradation, and pesticide resistance threaten the future of food production. But nature itself holds the key to a sustainable path forward. Biological solutions, rooted in nature, offer a way to protect crops, restore soil health, and reduce the requirement for chemical inputs, all while preserving the delicate balance of our ecosystems. Farming and nature don't have to be at odds. They can and must work together. This is where Andermatt leads the way. Andermatt combines Swiss precision with a passion for biological alternatives to drive our global vision of healthy food and healthy environment for all. Our journey began in Switzerland in 1988, when Dr. Isabel and Dr. Martin Andermatt registered the first granulovirus, ushering in a new era in agriculture. In the decades that have followed, biological experts and agricultural pioneers around the world have joined forces to form Andermatt. With products available in over 60 countries globally, our teams bring scientific expertise, regional insight, and cultural understanding to the table.
At Andermatt, we have developed biological solutions that are not only innovative, but also proven in the real world and on real farms. We believe in the power of nature and the vital role biological solutions play. Our passion for providing people around the world with healthy food and a healthy environment inspires our team every day.
We recognize the pressure on growers to increase yields sustainably and affordably. Catering to both organic and conventional users, our solutions offer a sustainable approach to agriculture, homes, gardens, and beekeeping.
More and more conventional farmers are turning to biological solutions to enhance sustainability, resilience, and long-term productivity. We aim to incorporate our products into existing farming systems through integrated pest management or IPM programs. Our targeted solutions are MRL-free, support resistance management, and are friendly to beneficial insects.
At the heart of Andermatt's success is a deep commitment to people, our customers, our employees, our partners, and the planet we all share.
Wir schauen den Wirkungsmechanismus an vom Bakulovirus.
We are an independent, family and employee-owned company focused on long-term sustainability. Through ongoing innovation, market diversification, and a commitment to operational excellence, we remain strong, dedicated to building a more resilient tomorrow. From Switzerland to fields around the globe, our commitment remains the same: healthy food and healthy environment for all.